Hi, I'm Nash, and I'm a Mayvenn certified stylist, and we're going to show you the process of a side part braid down when planning to use a closure.
Closure installs are best for clients that are looking for a full protective style and don't mind keeping their part in the same area. Start with blown out or brushed out hair and determine where you want to place your part. For a side part closure, braid down the hair with all sections parted from the side of the head that you'd like your part to be on. Adjust the main parting for wherever you'd like the closure to be installed. The back section of the hair can be braided down in a flat, circular pattern. Don't forget to sew down any ends of the natural hair for a seamless foundation.